Hey folks, it's Dr. Sam, and I'm on my morning walk today. I received a question from a golfer who wants to know if my techniques will help his putting. Well, there was a research study done by an experimental psychologist. His name is Dr. Mark Wilson. He's from the UK, and he developed a technique called the quiet eye technique. And I actually use it quite a bit with people in my eye therapy practice. So I'd like to share some things that can be done in terms of helping this gentleman improve his putting. So let's go through the list. Number one, have a consistent preparation practice. Number two, when you stand over the ball, you want to make sure to take a really big inhalation and a very slow exhalation. This actually helps relax the nervous system and reduce anxiety. Number three, as you're standing over the ball, I want you to focus on the back of the ball, especially maybe one of the dimples of the ball, and keep focused on that as you take your stroke. And as you hit the ball, you keep looking at the space where the ball was. So through the follow through, you're looking at the space where the ball was. And finally, I want you to take stock on how you did in terms of staying focused on the ball. What this will do is this will help you stay in the now, reduce the anxiety of projecting into the future and all the worries that come in when you're trying to putt. Now this could be used in basketball in terms of focusing on the rim, having the same consistent practice, doing the breathing, focusing on the rim through the follow through, and then taking stock in terms of how you did. This is a great technique in terms of helping people improve their sports performance. I've worked with athletes for many years, golfers and soccer players, hockey, goalies, baseball players. So I've worked with a lot of different athletes in terms of getting them to improve their visual focus, quiet their mind, and have a really good follow through in terms of their performance. And it works really well. We know that vision is one of our most dominant senses. And if we can really focus and keep our mind and eyes focused on the ball or whatever we're doing, and we have a really good follow through with that, our performance is generally going to be better than if we don't have control of our eyes and they're really scattered. So that's my message for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. And until next time, take good care.